What's going on YouTube? It's Shockwave back with another unboxing video, and today we're going to be unboxing some horror Blu-rays. I signed up for pretty much it's called Horror Pack, where each month you get 4 to 5 Blu-rays a month. I will leave the link in the description. Basically, they send you 4 to 5 Blu-rays every month, usually around the 23rd to the 25th, and it's random. And one of the Blu-rays are exclusive that you can only find in Walmart and Target and stuff like that. So let's get into it. I am going to be doing more stuff like this. This is going to be monthly, so let's see what's in the box. You can get these in DVD as well, but I decided to go with Blu-ray because I'm a Blu-ray fanatic. Let's see what we got. Ooh. This is what I'm talking about here. We got Resident Evil Afterlife, only at Walmart. This is the limited edition steelbook case that you can only get at Walmart. I already have the Resident Evil series, but this I don't have because I don't have any Resident Evil steelbooks. They come in these cool little packages too. Volumes of Blood Horror Stories. I don't think I've ever seen this at all. Yeah, I've never seen this. It's another one. The Apparition. I don't think I've seen this either. I think I've seen it on Hulu and a bunch of others. Once You Believe You Die. I might have seen this already. I'm not too sure. There we go. It's much better quality. I think this is about a woman that's haunted by this apparition when she moves into this house. And The Lazarus Effect. Everybody's pretty much seen this. Well, it's kind of damaged right there. I have to contact them about that. Lazarus Effect. Really, really good movie where they're trying to basically recreate and be God and trying to bring people back from the dead. And this guy's, I think, girlfriend or wife. She pretty much dies, so they use the Lazarus serum to bring her back to life. And she's not what she seems to be. That's definitely pretty cool. So that's the 4 Blu-ray movies that we've got this month. Actually, not too bad. I think it's $22 a month or $24 a month you can sign up, and probably this right here, especially with the steelbook Blu-ray, this is probably about $100 value. So you can sign up for this. You can get them in both DVD and Blu-ray. DVDs are separate. They're going to be like different movies, but I decided to go with Blu-ray. So I think it's like almost $25 a month, and you get these in monthly. And each time you'll get one like this. You'll get an exclusive Blu-ray. So I'm going to be bringing this to the channel so you guys can, have a little bit more variety of content, unboxings and stuff. And I'm going to be doing a lot more videos. So I'm going to open up my horror collection a little bit more. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Wave is out. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.